Welcome to Butterfly Solutions for Mathematics. A two-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 35. When 18 is added to this number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Let tens digit of the number be x and its units digit be y. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y. Tens place is x, therefore 10x plus y. Given that the product of the digits is 35, therefore xy equals 35. 10x plus y plus 18 equals 10y plus x. When 18 is added to this number, the digits interchange their places. 10x plus y is the given number, 18 is added to it, therefore digits interchange their places. Therefore, 10th place is y and units place is x, 10y plus x. That when reduced, 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equals minus 18. That is 9x minus 9y equals 18 minus 18. Implies 9 taking common, 9 into x minus y equals minus 18. That is x minus y equals minus 2. 9 when comes to here, minus 18 by 9, minus 2. That is the first equation. xy equals 35. Therefore, y equals 35 by x. That, and putting in first equation, x minus 35 by x equals minus 2. That is x plus 2 equals 35x. 2 comes to LHS as positive 2, minus 35 by x comes to RHS as positive 35 by x. Therefore, x square plus 2x equals 35. X squared plus 2x minus 35 equals 0. Reduced it to quadratic equation. Therefore, splitting the middle term, x squared plus 7x minus 5x minus 35 equals 0. That is x into x plus 7 minus 5 taken from these two terms, minus 5 into x plus 7 equals 0. That is x minus 5 into x plus 7 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 5 equals 0, x equals 5. Y equals 35 by x implies 35 by 5 equals 7. Hence, x plus 7 equals 0 implies x equals minus 7. X equals minus 7 not admissible here. Therefore, 10x plus y equals 10 into 5 plus 7. That is 50 plus 7, 57. Hence, the number is 57. Hence, concluded here. The length, next question, the length of a rectangular plot is 8 meters greater than its breadth. If the area of the plot is 308 meters squared, find the length and breadth. Let the breadth be x meter. Therefore, length equals x plus 8 meter. Here gives 8 meter greater than its breadth. Length is 8 meter greater than its breadth. Therefore, the length equals x plus 8. Breadth is x. Therefore, length is x plus 8 meter. area equals length into breadth, x plus 8 into x equals 308 meters squared. That is given in the question. Therefore, when expanded this, x squared plus 8x equals 308. That is x squared plus 8x minus 308 equals 0. When splitting the middle term, x squared plus 22x minus 14x minus 308 equals 0 is formed. That is x squared plus 22x when grouping and plus minus 14x minus 308 equals 0. X has common factor, x into x plus 22 plus minus 14 taken common, minus 14 into x plus 22 equals 0. That is x plus 22 into x minus 14 equals 0. Implies x equals minus 22 and x equals 14. Breadth equals 14 meter. Length equals x plus 8, that is 14 plus 8 equals 22 meter. Hence, the length is 22 meter and breadth is 14 meter. Next question. If the perimeter of a rectangular plot is 68 meter and its diagonal is 26 meter, find its area. Let the length be x meter and 2 into x plus breadth equals perimeter. That is given here. Length be x meter. Therefore, x length plus breadth into 2 is perimeter. That is x plus breadth into 2 equals perimeter. That is 2 into x plus breadth equals 68 meter. That is 2x plus 2 into b. B stands for breadth equals 68 meter. Therefore, 2b equals 68 minus 2x. Breadth equals 68 minus 2x by 2. That is 34 minus x meter. In terms of x, breadth is also defined. Therefore, x squared plus 34 minus x the whole squared equals 26 squared. Why? Because the length is x meter, breadth is 34 minus x, we already defined here. The diagonal is given, diagonal wise the length is 26 meter given in the question. Therefore, we can conclude that this for right triangle using Pythagoras theorem, 26 squared equals x squared plus 34 minus x the whole squared. Therefore, x squared plus 34 minus x the whole squared equals 26 squared. That is x squared plus 34 minus x the whole squared when expanded 1156 34 squared minus 34 into 2 into x minus 68x plus x squared equals 26 squared 676. That is 2x squared minus 68x plus 480 equals 0 when simplified this. That is x squared minus 34x plus 240 equals 0 when 2 is taken common factor outside. That is when factorized x minus 24 into x minus 10 equals 0. Minus 10 and minus 24 makes minus 34. minus 24 into minus 10 gives plus 240. Therefore, x equals 24 and x equals 10. Therefore, breadth equals 34 minus 24 equals 10 meter. That is also 34 minus 10 equals 24 meter. X equals 24, x equals 10. Hence, the length is 24 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Also, area is defined as 24 into 10 meter squared equals 240 meter squared. Hence, concluded. We can meet in the next video.